Hey everybody, how you doing today? So, I'm actually very lucky to get this thing over here. Now, what is this thing? This is a 4 terabyte My Passport Western Digital hard drive. Now, I want to actually store my data into a place that I can just go, at any time that is safe and very fast and have big capacity. When I saw this 4 terabyte for only 400 reals. Now, to put this into perspective, like this is 100 reals for 1 tera. And that's a lot of, you know, for me as a consumer, I mean, per dollar, gigabyte per per reals is so good. Even if you put it in a dollar, so let's think about it. Let's translate this to dollars. This is like, how much is this? Guys, this is like $105. Hands down. Okay, hands down. 105. So yeah, this probably the best deal I ever. And you want to find this, just go to Virgin Store. As you can see here, Virgin Store special price. Virgin Store in Saudi Arabia. If you're in Riyadh or in Saudi Arabia, go Virgin Store, buy it before it's over. If you're outside Saudi Arabia, probably go to virginstore.com and probably pre-order whatever. Try to do it this way. But I got it here, and I was lucky because I was also looking for a very big space hard drive, and especially this newer one. So let's open up this thing over here and see what we have. Let me just try to open it the other way. All right, we managed to got it open right now. Let's see what we have. I hope the weight is not that big. Oh, check this out. Okay. Oh, I got the blue one. You know, I like the color blue, right? It's a cool color. So let's take a look at what we have here. Some booklets, instructional manuals on the side. Nice looking hard drive. Well, it's not that big actually. Plastic. Is it plastic? So we have this old school USB-B whatever. I don't know why. Should get it like USB Type C and USB 3, as you can see. And here is the hard drive. And the best thing about it is that capacity, man. 4 terabytes. 4 terabytes. Oh yeah. This is hard plastic. And it seems like very well built. Like this. Also some glossy plastic. So we have a hard matte plastic and we have a glossy plastics. And we have something here. Let's read. A product of Malaysia. Alright. Yep, that's about it. They have some dimple over here, like a little bit something that to put your hard drive on, like this, so it holds, doesn't hit. So that's a good thing. It's very tough, very sturdy. There is no cracks, nothing crazy. So yeah, I'm gonna start to plug this thing and see how it goes. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in another video.